How to sign out of Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you no longer use your Instagram account and you want to sign out of it, in this video I will walk you through the steps of signing out of your Instagram account. For that, you first want to open the Instagram app on your device. If you don't have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now, the steps I'm about to show you are similar in iPhone, iPad, and Android. All you have to do is, on your home screen, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Your profile will now be displayed. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're here, scroll all the way down. On the login section, you have different options such as add account, log out of all accounts. Now, if you only want to add another account, tap on the option of add account. However, if you want to log out completely of your current account, tap on the option of log out. Here, a pop-up has appeared saying before you log out, add your accounts to the same account center. If you don't want that, tap on no log out option. Then you will be successfully logged out of your account. Now, additionally, if you want to log out of all of your current accounts on the Instagram app, tap on the option of log out of all accounts. Then you will successfully log out of all your current accounts on the Instagram app. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.